lovely duet. I hope you guys checking out the whole book because it is filled with gems such as this one. Every duet is amazing, really. I'm just loving all these little duets, and I'm really enjoying listening to the result. When I'm editing the videos, I really like the harmony. Actually, it really sounds cool. And you should try and take advantage of my MP3s that I'm uploading on Patreon. The link is down below. It's a very small fee, but I think you get a lot for it. I hope you would consider subscribing and joining my Patreon page and supporting the channel this way. Also, you get some stuff in return. You get MP3s, you get the PDF of the music, you get quite a bit of valuable resources in return for your little monthly subscription fee. You can cancel anytime. I appreciate your support. I'll see you guys on my Patreon page. Thank you so much.